Henan Tianqi Cryogenic Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the research, development, production, and sales of liquid nitrogen biological containers and related products. It is a leading global supplier of liquid nitrogen biological containers. Tianqi has always taken serving, healthy, future as their corporate mission, adhering to the corporate philosophy of let the world fall in love with made in China. With the cutting-edge technology and the innovative products, we have become a leader in the liquid nitrogen tank industry, with scientific product ideas and continuous innovation. Our products have obtained excellent results in multiple quality assessments, and our products have passed domestic and international certifications, such as CE, SGS, and BV. The sales volume of Tianqi liquid nitrogen tanks has been ranked in the forefront of global liquid nitrogen tank. As the leading global manufacturer and supplier of liquid nitrogen biological containers, Tianqi Cryogenics has always been committed to bringing the most advanced products to users around the world. We provide the highest quality products and services to users around the world. At present, the products have been sold to more than 60 countries, such as the United States, Brazil, Uzbekistan, and Thailand.